Welcome to my bike check. This is my Fit Dak rod. Got Fit Dak bars in black. It weighs about 21.7 pounds. So I got Fit Dak Grips. I cut the little things off because they're easier for barshmen. I got a Freecoaster, I know, right? With a size 9 cassette. Right now I'm at 25.9. I'm gonna go up to 28 pretty soon. I got a white chain. I don't know what brand it is, but it came. It was at the bike shop, and he was like, "Oh, this is just as good as the other ones." I got a Verde Pivitol, so nice. Red Pivotol Post. It's a bike store stock one, so it didn't cost me that much. I got a Verde Headset. Verde Headset somewhere. Yeah, there you are. See Verde. I got red sprocket, like I said, and red Eclat pedals. No, wow, maybe red sprocket, red Eclat pedals. Yeah, this ride's pretty nice. Look, you can like pick it up with one hand. So light. Alright, well, this is my bike check.